Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to have a chat about respect, and in particular, how to earn people's respect. As human beings with emotions and feelings, we always crave for other people's respect, other people's care, and other people's love. Sometimes, because of these cravings, we find ourselves asking what we need to do to earn people's respect. And how do we get people to genuinely and wholeheartedly respect us? Respect comes from the heart, and accepting in your heart that everyone is fundamentally equal is the key to both giving and receiving respect. Let me assure you that respect is not earned by the position you hold. It's not because of the status or certainly not the title on your business card. Respect is also not gained from flaunting material possessions you may have or the clothes and jewelry you wear. Now, these things may give you momentary satisfaction and pleasure, but they will not earn other people's respect. People will only respect you if you respect them first. Genuine respect, not just in our words and conversation, but true respect comes from how we genuinely view and understand other people. People tend not to care about what we say, but they can feel respect being given. It boils down to how we truly feel about other people and how we genuinely understand how respect is gained. So how is respect gained? Here are a few things to keep in mind. Number one, respecting other people's time. One of the virtues of life is being punctual and arriving on time. On the off chance that you can't show up or run late, let people know in advance. People only have a certain amount of time. So before you start a meeting, before you get into your stories or do your presentation, always ask people how much time they have. Then you can arrange the way you present or you have the conversation accordingly. Second, respecting your promises to people. Be a person of your word. Many years ago, I read a book titled How to Succeed. At the end of the book, it concludes, it said, achieving success is actually very simple. Just be a person of your word. Many people make promises and don't deliver. So be careful of the promises you make. Don't make any promises if you're not prepared to fulfill those promises. Number three, respecting other people's opinions. People come from different cultures and backgrounds. That's why they hold different opinions, and they're entitled to them. What we believe to be the truth may not be the whole truth. So be prepared to look through other people's perspectives. When Nelson Mandela talked about his father, he observed him having many meetings with other elders. He always was the last one to speak. Doesn't matter what you say or believe, other people may think differently. Having the ability to listen to other people first demonstrates true confidence, especially if you're in a position of leadership or authority. By listening to other people first, you not only get a full perspective, but gain respect and make them more willing to listen to you. Number four, always demonstrate high morals, character, and strong principles. People may not always agree with you, but if you hold on to your morals and character, you'll be in a position to earn their respect. If you're in a leadership position, true leaders do the right thing all the time, regardless of circumstances. It's the same at home. If parents don't do what they preach, it's hard for the children to follow suit, especially when it comes to principles. If parents practice what they preach, respect can be earned in the home. And lastly, respecting yourself. There's a saying that you cannot respect others without respecting yourself first. You can't give people what you don't have. Simple things like eating well, keeping healthy, dressing well, and developing good habits contribute to your self-respect. When you respect yourself, you'll be more open to respecting others. In short, if you want to be respected, you have to begin by respecting the other person first in the way we deal with them and in whatever situation. And it's also important that we don't only just respect those who we think deserve our respect, people who are closest to us, people who hold similar or higher positions than us, or people who have the results you desire. But we also respect people just for who they are, as a fellow human being. Colleagues, friends, or even strangers on the street, whether they're a taxi driver, a cleaner, or a CEO, they all deserve sincere, wholehearted respect. Just remember that when you start respecting other people first, caring for other people first, and loving other people first, all of those things will come back to you in abundance. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give the video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe for future videos to come.